Keep your chin up. Sarah, how are you? Not so good. Why? What's wrong? I had an exam yesterday and I got a low grade. Ah, I understand. Don't worry. Keep your chin up. Everything will be all right. Break a leg. Are you ready to go on stage? I'm a little bit nervous. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Ah, it's time to go. Break a leg. Keep an eye on. Sarah, Josh, I'm going to the supermarket. I will be back at 4 o'clock. Okay, Mom, please buy some cookies. Okay, I will buy some cookies. Can you keep an eye on your brother, Sarah? Yes, Mom, I will keep an eye on Josh. Keep your chin up. Break a leg. Keep an eye on.